Hello everyone, my name is Varun Gupta, Assistant Professor, KIET Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will see how to find state transition matrix using similarity transformation. Similarity transformation gives the unique model which is applicable for whole system, and it can calculate free response, which is STM, for the given control system. This is the state space representation of unique model which is governed by similarity transformation. Here cap denotes new state model which is covered by x cap k plus 1 and x cap k. And here we can see diagonal eigenvalues which are different, lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. In sometimes eigenvalues are similar, then the transformation, the part will be similar. Now because dimension of this matrix is 3 into 3, 3 rows and 3 column, so we can expand x cap k plus 1 3 times, x1, x2 and x3. Similarly, x cap k may be written as x cap x1 cap k, x2 cap k and x3 cap k. Now what is the value of x1 cap k plus 1? x1 cap k plus 1 is equal to lambda 1 into x1 k, because we will shift accordingly. Okay, this one. x2 cap k plus 1 will be lambda 2 x2 k. Then x3 cap k plus 1 is equal to lambda 3 into this. Now we have to find z transform of the given equation. First equation is x1 cap k plus 1, then z transform z into x1 cap z minus initial value x1 cap 0 is equal to lambda 1 x1 cap z. Now z minus lambda 1, we can shift the lambda 1 x1 cap z in left side and it will be negative. Now z minus lambda 1 x1 cap z is equal to z x1 0. Now we can write x1 cap z is equal to z upon z minus lambda 1 into x1 cap 0. Similarly, we can calculate x2 k plus 1 and we get x2 cap z is equal to z upon z minus lambda 2. Similarly, for x3 k plus 1, we get x3 cap z is equal to z upon z minus lambda 1 into x3 cap 0. These are the initial values. Okay. Now x1z is equal to z upon z minus lambda 1 into x1 cap 0. I am writing again. Now inverse of this will be z upon z minus a inverse is equal to a to the power k uk, and lambda 1 ki power k into uk, and uk is not required because here we are writing x1 cap 0. Second, x2 cap k is equal to lambda 2 to the power k into x2 cap 0. Then we may write it in matrix form. And we get This is the solution of given model. Now, how to interpret the result? Because in previous lecture I have seen similarity transformation gives the unique model x cap k plus 1 is equal to PA P inverse x cap k plus PV into UK. And we know this is a unique model or diagonal form, and it is represented as J, and this is modified input matrix because we are finding free response, then input should be 0 because we are finding this, and remaining part will be x cap k plus 1 is equal to J times x cap k. And if we find solution of this, we get x cap k is equal to J to the power k into x cap 0. If we see the figure of both equations, then we can see x cap k, x cap k, x cap 0, x cap 0, J to the power k. Then only difference is lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. Only power comes here lambda 1, here lambda 1 to the power k, here lambda 2, here lambda to the power k, here lambda 3, here lambda 3 to the power k. Means only power comes in the solution. So we may write, or anyone can interpret the solution accordingly, because we don't require any transformation, any modeling. Just find the model and take the power of given eigen values, because these are the eigen values, and we can find the model, output equation. Now, if the eigenvalues will be same, or you can say if the poles are repeated, then how to interpret the result? It is very easy. We can write, if eigenvalues are similar, now eigenvalues are similar, lambda 1, lambda 1. Now first equation is x1 cap k plus 1 is equal to lambda 1 x1 cap k. Okay, and here lambda 1, here 1 also comes, plus x2 cap k. Second equation will be x2 k plus 1 is equal to lambda 1 x2 k. Second equation. x3 k plus 1 is equal to lambda 2 x3 k. Only difference in the solution is due to this factor, in this solution RAM function occurs, RAM, or you can say multiply by k, because in previous lambda 1 to the power k, lambda 2 to the power k, lambda 3 to the power k, here solution will be like this or like this, because due to repeated poles. Okay, thank you.